How to set live wallpapers on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, swipe down the screen from the top left corner and then tap and hold the screen. Switch the wallpaper if you want to. Once done, tap and customize at the bottom. Click on lock screen. Now tap on this gallery icon. It will open up a gallery. Tap on live photo. All the live photos will be available to you in this page. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. From here, choose a specific live wallpaper that you want to add. Let me choose this one for now. Click on it. Wait for a while. And there you can see that the live wallpaper has been added. If you're ready to set this wallpaper, then all you gotta do is tap on done at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, the live wallpaper has been added successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.